When it comes to Indian food, they do beautiful dishes. Well, today I'm gonna teach you an exquisite vindaloo curry. You ready? Let's go! Hello beautiful people! If you want to discover a great restaurant around the world or you want to learn expert beautiful cooking tutorials, subscribe now and click on the bell so you don't miss anything. So, at first, we're gonna have a pot. We're gonna simmer a bit the water, and then we're gonna add the bay leaves, fresh whole bay leaves. Then we're gonna add coriander seeds, cashew nuts, cumin seeds, a bit of salt, turmeric, they have to be whole, cardamom whole, dried chili, some fresh cloves, and some cinnamon sticks. We're gonna mix them all together, and then we're gonna let it simmer for at least 30 minutes for everything to get very, very tender, and this is exactly what we want. For the next step, we're gonna use a pan. We're gonna add a bit of coconut oil. We're gonna add diced onions, garlic, ginger, fresh coconut. We are gonna mix them all together until the coconut gets reddish color, just to get them a bit more softened, all right? Now, we're gonna combine the two mixtures together, and then we're gonna simmer them for 30 minutes. We're gonna take them out. We're gonna blend them very well. We're gonna strain all of them to have a very soft and creamy paste. We are gonna marinate the chicken with the same gravy that we did for at least 12 hours or overnight. Then we're gonna add it in the convection oven on 180 for 10 minutes. We're gonna finalize the dish. So now we're gonna add the coconut cream, the Goan vinegar. If you don't have any Goan vinegar, you can add some just white vinegar, and that will do the job. And we're gonna simmer it very well until it gets a bit dense. And voila, it's almost finished. To finalize the dish, at last, finally, first of all, we're gonna add the baked chicken. Second of all, we're gonna add the gravy on the top with a small decoration, a bit of coriander. Oh my God, that looks very interesting and very beautiful, to be honest. Can't wait to try it. Let's go! Hey beautiful people! So finally we did the dish, and I have with me Chef Rana.
Hello, namaste.
And I have with me Chef Kishan.
Hello, namaste.
So guys, we're gonna try this dish, and you guys gonna tell me what you think about it, if it's good or not, if they should do it at home or not, right?
Yes.
Let's go guys, taste it. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, this dish is always served with paratha or with rice. Rana, which one do you prefer usually?
I love paratha because North India we are more eating paratha, while in the Goa they love to eat the rice.
What about you, Chef?
Chef, I like paratha with vindaloo curry.
Alright, beautiful. Let's begin. Alright. So guys, you're the expert. What do you think?
Lajawab.
Lajawab, chef.
Oh my God, what does it mean, lajawab?
Means very nice.
Very nice. So basically, you guys eat it in general
Paratha.
with paratha, right?
Yes.
And that one question, I know that you guys have a lot of types of parathas. Which one is your favorite in general?
Normally with any curry item we used to eat like plain parathas. But normally we love to have a aloo paratha or some stuffed paratha, which is with everything, with the raita and some pickle.
So it's a bit chilly, and you can feel the cake, but it's very tangy and it have a lot of flavors. And to tell you, this dish was created in Goa. It's because of the Portuguese. I can call it basically an hybrid curry because it have a certain mixture between the Indians and between the Portuguese at the same time. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. We'll see you very soon with a new vlog. Do not forget to subscribe, and we'll see you very soon.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Yeah? Ciao guys!
Bye-bye.
Ciao! Alright.